Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today by request we have a great song that we're going to review called Nice to Be With You. It was written by a gentleman named Jim Gold for his band Gallery. Now even though Gallery isn't a household name, they had a smash hit with this song that peaked at number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1972. Before we get started though, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know first, then we're going to perform the cover. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great song from the 70s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Alright, in order to get all the way through this great song, you're going to need to know 4 chords. Let's have a closer look at them now. The first one is a D. You're going to need to know an A chord. There's an E major. And then there's one bar chord. It's called a C sharp minor. That's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
Oh, it's so nice to be with you. I love all the things you say and do. And it's so nice to hear you say you're gonna please me in every way. Honey, I got the notion you cause a commotion in my soul. Got something that's real, I know it's gonna last a lifetime. Yeah, you better believe it, girl. Tonight I call your name. Darkness fills the room, I'm only dreaming about the time I'm gonna be with you. Oh, it's so nice to be with you. I love all the things you say and do, and it's so nice to hear you say you're gonna please me in every way. 'Cause honey, I got the notion you're causing commotion in my soul. When I'm feeling down, you're there to pick me up and help me to carry on. Ah, the little things mean a lot. Need a shoulder to cry on. I'm there to ease the pain, to take away the rain. Ah, darling, I just gotta say, oh, it's so nice to be with you. I love all the things you say and do. And it's so nice to hear you say you're gonna please me in every way. 'Cause honey, I got the notion you're causing commotion in my soul. Oh, it's so nice to be with you. I love all the things you say and do. And it's so nice to hear you say you're gonna please me in every way. 'Cause honey, I got the notion you're causing commotion in my soul.
Okay, let's have a closer look at the chord progression. We're going to break this into 3 separate parts. First of all, we're going to have a closer look at that intro. and the variations to the E chord in the D chord. They're subtle, but they're there. Then we'll have a closer look at the choruses, and then we'll finish it off with the verses. Let's get to that intro. The song basically starts on the E major chord. I'll play it through, listen for these slight changes, and then we'll review it a little closer. We'll go into a bit more detail. Here we go, starting on the E major chord. Takes you into actually what would be the chorus. So what did we just do? Let's have a closer look. On the E major chord, they actually add in their pinky finger to the second fret of the second string. Can you hear it slight, but it's there. They do the same thing to the D chord. Which is the pinky on the first string of the third fret, essentially making it a D sus4. So let's go through it again and slow it down. And that's it. That takes you into the chorus. Let's have a look. Okay, the chorus. Let's have a closer look. It basically starts on the D chord. Here we go. Oh, it's so nice to be with you. I love all the things you say and do. And it's so nice to hear you say you're gonna please me in every way. 'Cause honey, I got the notion you're causing commotion in my soul. That's it. Let's have a closer look now at the verses. Okay, the verse, here we go. Basically starts on the A major chord. Baby, you and me got something that's real, I know it's gonna last a lifetime. Yeah, you better believe it, girl. And then that simply repeats. Very, very easy song to play. There you have it, Nice to Be With You, performed by Gallery. Thank you so much for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos and tutorials, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.